Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate color fondant full guide. Need 500 g of fondant with 2 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 TSB brown gel color, then work continuously until the paste is evenly colored. If the mix is too dry, add 1 TSB vegetable shortening at a time. If it is too soft, dust with 1 tablespoon icing sugar until you reach a smooth, pliable consistency for covering cakes. Start by adding color gradually to avoid overdarkening, then mix thoroughly using clean hands or a silicone spatula for even color distribution. Remember to test a small scrap under your kitchen lights to confirm the shade, since lighting changes perception. For warmer tones, add a tiny pinch of red or caramel gel. For cooler chocolate, add a whisper of black or blue gel. Keep notes of amounts for reproducibility on future cakes. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps helpful content coming. Quick recommendation: I use the Echo Dot smart speaker while I bake to play timers and playlists. It adds fun and keeps me on schedule. Check the description for the product link and other deals that support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To enhance depth, add a small amount of black gel or a darker brown in stages, blending until you reach the desired chocolate tone without making it muddy. If you need highlights, dust lightly with cocoa or edible brown luster. Wrap unused portions tightly in plastic and place them in an airtight container to prevent drying. Store fondant at room temperature out of direct sunlight and let it come to room temperature before rolling to ensure smooth coverage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.